Hi,
Should I
I'm
start the
Alex
clock?
Cullimore.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. No, let's just go for it. Yeah,
All right.
let's have a clock.
All right.
Woo.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Alex Cullimore. Well, we had a lot of
Clearly.
ideas in there.
I know. Clearly, we need to practice.
Take 2. I'll cut down some of the random meandering thoughts. So how do you do it? These are we created this interactive workshop to give you the experience hands-on of building your own culture that is good and that other people would, I'll get some words together one day. I'm just going to see myself out.
Take 4.
Hi, I'm Alex Cullimore.
And hi, I'm Cristina Amigoni. We're here to talk about culture.
And how it relates to Denver Startup Week. Culture is a huge topic in the working world nowadays. You can see it all over LinkedIn, all over the Wall Street Journal, and every article you could. Let's not do this. I'm not going to stumble over that. Let's retry that one. Oh, that was bad. I had like 4 thoughts. I was like, it's all over LinkedIn. I was like, this is the stupidest one item list I've ever started. Then I started on other topics, and they didn't actually form. I'm gonna not jump down a list this time.
Take 5.
Hi, I'm Alex Cullimore.
Hi, I'm Chris. Not gonna happen. Serious. Culture is a serious topic.
All right, gravitas. All right, ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Hi, I'm Alex Cullimore.
Not yet.
Just kidding.
We're not.
We're gonna hear.
I'm going to pitch for Denver Startup.
We're here to tell you we can speak out loud in front of people.
What was that? Called? Oh, yeah.
We're here to teach you about listening, which we can't do.